Take a ride in the 2015 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, electronic stability control, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.